passes through 2 points on the circle, and the tangent only passes through 1 point?
Yes, 1 point and 2. That's exact. I could not have said it better, but I probably would have said it worse actually. It goes through 2 points and tangent only goes through 1. Okay. Good. Yeah. Right. 4. 4. How do you solve 4? I mean, guess how these problems go? Easy, confusing. So for 4, how do you set up 4? Someone tell me.
9 times x minus 3.
Good. Shh. Yep. And.
Equals 10 times 8.
Okay. Is everyone okay with that?
Sorry.
So what is this? So did we see the setup? Did we get this?
Yes.
So we're saying 9x minus 27 equals 180.
Yup.
Add 27.
Yup.
9x equals 207.
Yup.
X equals 23.
23.
Perfect. That's it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Next one. 6. What the heck? And I told you guys, your kids will learn everything that you say. So even if you don't mean to.
So you curse in front of your kid?
I don't curse in front of my kid. I don't really curse in general because it's like I think it's it's like the laziest use of words. Like I'd rather say like shucks or like something interesting as opposed to like nothing interesting at all. Because those words are just so unoriginal.
Are rattlesnakes.
Yes, exactly. So we would say. So I said, "What the heck?" And that's what I do say at all. And then she'd be like, then one day she was like, "What the heck?" And I was like, "Oh no." So we changed it to "What the chickens."
And what the shampoo?
Actually, everyone just try to quick. Say "What the chickens," and it's like you can't be angry after you say it. Everyone try. Ready?
Well, no, we wouldn't be angry.
Just go on.
Anyway,
It'll come
and
out
then-
angry right
And then
now.
just go on. You'll make us angry sometimes. Go ahead.
Okay, so then she said "What the cows," "What the cats." It was funny. Anyway,
No, make shampoo.
my bad. What's the next one here? Set up here. Set up. Someone go.
Is that an
8 times
Sorry.
shampoo.
Bring it back, please. 8 times.
Oh,
8 plus X.
Good.
Because the QE is so.
Oh. Sorry. My bad. Bring it back. 8 times.
No, we're on 8 plus X.
Yep. Equals.
6 times 6 plus 10.
Good. Okay. Now again, you don't have to distribute that. That part you don't have to distribute. The first part you do, because you can't combine that. This one, you can if you want. But what's 6 plus 10?
16.
6. Yeah. If I say what's 8 plus x?
8x.
8 plus x. Not 8x. It's 8 plus x. That's why you distribute here. So we have 64 plus 8x equals 6 times 16. What's 6 times 16?
96.
96. Good. 64 plus 8x. Subtract 64. 8x equals
32.
32. Oh, look how nicely this works out. X equals.
Oh, I thought you learned
You can distribute if you want to, and it still will work out.
Yeah.
Okay? The problem still works out. It's just that it's like, it's really saying 6 times 6, that's 36. And 6 times 10 is 60. What's 60 plus 36? 96. And it works that way every time.
But I took less steps than you and I
Okay. Good.
Okay, that's cool.
Fine. Side comma needs to stop. Let's go. Okay, 8. 100. 8. Let's set up for 8.
8 is 4 times 5.
4 times
5 plus 4.
Or 4 times. You get that one wrong.
4 plus 5.
How does it even
We get 100. Does that make?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Alright, this next one's tricky. X minus 2 times what?
X minus 2 plus.
Good. X minus 2 plus X plus 4. Okay, those go together. X minus 2 plus X plus 4.
Foil.
We're not there yet. Guys. Okay, 4 times 9 equals, we're getting X minus 2, I'll put this in parentheses, and then this is 2X plus 2. It's okay so far. Right? 36 equals, foil it. 2x squared plus 2x minus 4x minus 4. Okay, all remember the FOIL first, outside, inside last. Okay? Combine like terms. What's like here? Actually, can I do two things? Can I put this 30, well, we'll get there first. 36 equals 2x squared minus 2x minus 4. Now, when you get a square, some sort of quadratic equation, move everything to one side, as in get 0 equal everything, okay? So that you can either factor it, or I'm going to have to use the quadratic equation. How many people have seen the quadratic equation?
Yeah,
I see, I don't remember it.
Okay. Alright, we're going to subtract 36, get this 0 over here, subtract 36. We're going to get 0 equals 2x squared minus 2x minus 40. You can make this easier. What could you do to make this easier?
Divide everything by 2.
Divide everything by
2.
2. Right? Can they're all divisible by 2?
Yes.
And if you divide this side by 2, what's 0 divided by 2? 0. So 0 equals x squared minus x minus 20. Alright. Factor? I think we can factor. Yes? Can we factor? Let's find out. X and x, remember this?
Nope.
What times what gives you 20?
5 times
10
4.
and 2.
10 and 2, okay? So we can list the two things. 10 and 2, what else?
5 and 4.
5 and 4, what else?
2 and 10.
2 and 10, right? We had that one right. What else?
20 and 1.
20 and 1. Anything else? That's it. Okay, so which of these has a difference of 1? Why am I saying difference of 1? Because it has to multiply by 20 and be negative 1 in the middle. 5 and 4. So 5 and 4 going here. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. So why negative 5 and positive 4?
Because they have to add up to -1.
Yes, if they add up to negative 1. So make this a negative 5 and a positive 4 because negative 1 plus 4 is negative 1 and negative 5 times 4 is negative 20.
We know the two numbers have to equal -1.
The middle term, whatever this is here. And this one, no, yeah, sorry, my way. Good. Yes. Yes. Some people learn it this way. Where they, I forget what you do. You put a cross there and then
Yeah, and you put 20 on top and then -1 on negative 1 on the bottom.
negative 1 on the bottom. Okay, good. And then you do, and it's negative 20.
Yeah.
And then you do negative 5
and 4.
and 4.
Yeah, I remember that.
Okay? Remember this? You like this?
Yeah.
If you like this better, use that.
Wait, hold on.
We'll use it.
So,
We're gonna have to Christianity.
so negative 20 and negative 1 are the two terms you're trying to get, right? You want the negative 20 from this and the negative 1 here. Well, what times what gives you negative 1 adds to this and multiplies this, negative 5 and 4. Because negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. And negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. Last thing. You have to set both of these equal to 0. So you get x minus 5 equals 0 and x plus 4 equals 0. Okay? Remember this part at the very end?
Yeah.
And really, all you have to do is look at, that's a terrible 5. All you have to do is look at the, really the what's opposite of negative 5? So x equals 5. And what's opposite of positive 4? So your two answers are always just going to be whatever's negative here, at the opposite sign. Which answer works here? 5. Why not negative 4? Yeah, because 4 is negative, and if it's negative, what's wrong with that? Right. It will blow up the entire world. Don't blow up the entire world.
Question.
Go ahead.
Okay, in the second step,
Yes.
how did you get x minus 2 and 2x plus 2? I'm just confused on the 2x plus 2 part.
This.
Yeah.
So when we added remember you have to add the whole thing? We got x minus 2 plus x plus 4. That's the whole length.
Yeah.
What's x plus x?
2x.
What's negative 2 plus 4?
2. Oh, okay.
Okay. Combine like terms what's in the parentheses, bring it down.
Okay.
Alright, 10. 10. Okay, someone give me a set for 10. That's a long problem right now. 10, what do we got? 10. Anyone 10? Yeah, go Tara.
Wait, the answer?
How's set up?
24 squared.
Yep.
Equals 12 times x, 12 plus x.
Good. What's 24 squared? Go ahead. 572? 6 equals 144 plus 12x. What's next, Tara?
Then you subtract 144.
Mhm. You get 432. Divide by 12.
36.
Good. Getting these?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone? What's wrong with 12? What's wrong with 12?
They
Or
used the
4?
wrong formula.
Yeah, they used the wrong formula, basically. They put the things in the wrong order. That's fine. 14. 14. Here we go. 14.
I did homework, no, I did it wrong. Oh, no, I did the homework.
Okay, 14. Someone? 14?
This one is
Okay, well, what's the rule? Let's talk about what the rule is. Okay? Again, the rules are important here. What is this? What is this a picture? What are picture?
Picture. Secant.
2 secants, right? Look at the formula for secant. Secant. Tell me what it says.
A outside segment times the whole.
Well, yeah, what does that mean? We said the outside segment.
Outside segment.
What's the outside segment in this first part?
X.
X. Right? Times what?
45.
The whole. What's the whole?
45.
45. So this is different in that they give you the whole. There's nothing to add anymore. Right. What's that? Yeah. So like they really are giving you this problem. They want you to see if you understand what the rule is saying. And this bottom part would be equals outside segment times the whole, which is 50. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
I've told you to add it together because of problems like this, where it gets not like this, where it's 12 plus x, so you distribute, or it's like crazy like this. When you add, it always works. But it's really the whole thing. So we get 45x equals, what's this?
1,350.
Okay, divided by 45.
X plus 30.
Well, that's 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it 14? It should be 30. Is that what you got for the answers? Is that what you got for the answers? The setup?
45 is a little segment.
Okay.
That's what I figured. 45. Yeah, I'm like, alright. Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. 16 is dapper. D is D like dapper or Donald Duck.
Can we go over that one?
Yep.
Yeah, I really would like to go over that.
Okay. 16.
I didn't know how to do it.
So you get. Well, what's the setup? Go ahead.
It's right there.
X times X, right? Equals
Oh, is this 2 chords? Is that how you solve it?
2 chords. Yeah.
Oh.
2 chords. Yes. Set up like this. X squared equals 4x plus 12.
Oh, I understand. Now it's okay. You don't need to go on.
Now, again, we have a quadratic. Move everything to one side. X squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Okay, we'll draw our little thing. Negative 12 and negative 4. Alright? Well, what times what gives me 12?
Negative 6 and 2.
6 and 2. Is that good enough? What's the difference between 6 and 2? What's the difference between 6 and 2?
Negative
4. Over there. So, negative 6 and positive 2. Do you agree with me on that? So we get x minus 6, x plus 2. My answers are x equals 6, x equals -2, I don't give me this answer because if you do, I'll mark it wrong and then take a point off your grade. It's a negative answer. Because I don't want both answers. Both answers aren't right. Only one answer is. If you give me a negative distance,
So you're just saying if But if they both are right.
almost always. You know it right away here because if you put x here, that'd be a negative distance of -2, which is not possible. Okay,
But if they both work.
then it would work. Rarely happens. It
But
could.
does.
All right, that's all I want for now. We get next bit. All right, so